Stop. I will not motivate you. I will not sell you hope. I will not try to make you feel good. But I will tell you this. If you are still searching, the problem is not lack of information. The problem is lack of direction. Most people don't lose their lives. They just scatter them. They know everything but organize nothing. They want everything but commit to nothing. They never take the first step. This video will not give you a new idea. It will give you a structure that ends the search. If you stay until the end, you will not leave as the same person. We're starting. What the real problem is not. You think you are searching for clarity. That's not what you're actually looking for. You think you are searching for the right strategy. You already have more than enough. The real problem is this. Your mind is too full. Think of a factory. Half-finished machines everywhere. Half-built production lines. None of them working. The problem is not lack of machines. It's lack of order. The mind is the same. A full mind does not produce. It only makes noise. And nothing can be built until that noise is silenced. Part 1. Clear the ground. Empty your mind. No construction starts with walls. It starts with the ground. Remember that. The mind works the same way. It is cleared before it is directed, calmed before it is commanded. Most people skip this step. They take action without organizing their thoughts. The result, they work hard, but they never move forward. A disordered mind cannot execute a plan. Edwin C. Barnes knew this. Before he went to Edison, he cleared his mind. Only one thought remained, to become Edison's partner. There was no other option, no escape route. That's why the plan held. You will do the same. Drop unfinished plans, cut doubt, defeat, and silence fear. Say this, my mind is organized. It has direction. It obeys my purpose. This is not a sentence. It is a command to yourself. When repeated, the mind learns who it belongs to. Henry Ford understood this. Before producing the car, he disciplined his thoughts. He silenced the voices of failure, locked onto a single direction. Decision comes first. Obedience follows. Part 2. Follow the order. A plan cannot be executed without order. Each part is placed in sequence. You don't put the roof before the foundation. You don't hang a door without walls. Yet people try to build their lives this way. They start from the end. They skip the middle. Then they ask why everything collapsed. Success follows order. No exceptions. The order is this. 1. Direction, not desire. Direction. Desire evaporates. Direction stays. 2. Decision. A decision is not a thought. It is a command. A person who decides once grows stronger. A person who keeps deciding grows weaker. Remember that. 3. Mental image. The mind needs instructions. Edison saw the light before it existed. Bell heard the sound before it was heard. 4. Repetition. A thought considered once is weak. A thought repeated becomes a pattern. 5. Belief, not emotion, expectation. Through repetition, the mind accepts. 6. Organized action. Disorganized movement only burns energy. Organized movement builds power. 7. Verbal alignment. Your speech must support your target. The one who speaks, doubt teaches defeat. 8. Emotional balance. Extreme excitement breaks focus. Extreme lows do the same. Henry Ford stayed calm. That's why he endured. 9. Environment. Noise breaks concentration. Disorder weakens direction. 10. The right people. Not those who comfort weakness, but those who sharpen strength. 11. Daily progress. Move forward every day, even if small. One day of stopping weakens the chain. 12. Identity shift. A new life cannot be built with the old man. Create a new version of yourself. 13. Persistence. Those who stop lose. Those who continue win. 14. Trust the unseen. Most work happens in the mind before it appears. 15. Completion. The unseen becomes visible. If this order is followed, the result is inevitable. Part 3. Execute without leakage. A plan that stays on paper is dead. Bring it into action. Most people love plans, but they don't execute. Energy leaks through doubt, delay, emotion. The one who seals the leaks cannot be stopped. Execution starts with quiet power. Quiet power does not shout. It does not perform. It shows up every day, does the work, leaves. Henry Ford worked this way. He failed hundreds of times but never stopped. Quiet power does not get tired. It drills through stone. Move forward every day. 1 hour of consistent work beats 10 hours done once a month. Edison trusted rhythm. He didn't wait for inspiration. Hesitation is your greatest enemy. Remember that. Failure teaches. Hesitation rots you. Decision to immediate action. Manage your emotions. Don't rise too high. Don't fall too low. Finish. Those who leave things unfinished lose trust. Those who finish gain power. Part 4. Become the builder. A plan is not enough. You must build. A new life requires a new man. You have 2 identities, one formed by habits, one built by discipline. Results are the mirror of identity. A fearful identity produces fearful results. A disciplined identity produces progress. Identity can be changed. Carnegie did it. Lincoln did it. In the end, both succeeded. Remember that. They manage themselves first. He who cannot manage himself cannot move forward. Say this: I am stepping into the identity that makes my success inevitable. This is not a wish. It is a command. Integrity is wholeness. Thought, word, and action move in the same direction. Courage is quiet. It continues. Discipline is working through discomfort. Repetition creates identity. Identity creates destiny. Self-respect comes from behavior. Keep your word and you grow. Break it and you shrink. Without dropping old habits, a new identity cannot be built. Drop old habits now and take action. Final stage. You stop acting. You become the standard. Success finds you. Transition. You're between 2 lives. One has habits. The other has a waiting future. Focus on the future. Only you stand in between. The plan is not magical. The man who applies it decides everything. You cannot turn back from this point. The old man brought you to the door, but he cannot go inside. You remain what you repeat. You don't need to feel ready. Readiness comes from movement. Those who wait lose. Those who move forward advance. This plan is not too big for you. Don't magnify it in your mind. The next step is not written. It will be written in your behavior. Start now.